How to delete all photos from WhatsApp group on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete all of your photos from WhatsApp group on your iPhone. Now this also works for Android, so yeah, if you want to do it, just do it. So let us begin. The first thing you'll need to do is open up your WhatsApp. After you open up your WhatsApp, what you'll need to do is head over to your settings. It's on the bottom right for iPhone users, and for Android users, simply tap on the three dots on the top right corner and then head over to your settings. After you're there, scroll down till you find storage and data. Tap on storage and data, and after you're there, you should find an option called manage storage. Tap on manage storage, and after you tap on it, you should see the chats or the groups on the bottom. Now you can tap on the chats or the groups. And from here, if you want to delete all photos and videos, simply select all or select the ones that you want to delete. So I'll just select all for this and tap on the delete button on the bottom right corner. Now confirm the deletion and it will just get deleted. And that is basically all. That is how you can delete all photos from WhatsApp group on your iPhone and Android. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.